Hey, what's up, Safemoon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest energy update of Safemoon. You know what, my friends? Absolutely, from the yesterday, from the previous last 1 week, the prices of the every coin is very badly fast down, and the price of Safemoon is also going very badly down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. But you know what, my friends, I have a good news for all SafeMoon holders that now you already know that the price of SafeMoon is very badly fast down, but now at this time the price is going to the moon. Price start pumping, my friends. At this time, congratulations all holders. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to make sure to subscribe. My friends, subscribe is very important for all of you. Never miss to subscribe ABS Takes channel. If you miss, so you can't get any updates about cryptocurrencies market, and if you can't get updates, so how you can earn with the cryptocurrencies market. Anyways, let's start the video, friends. Let's see the latest update of the SafeMoon. At this time, the price of SafeMoon in the market is 0.00004 USD dollar. Is the latest price of the SafeMoon, and the BTC Bitcoin price of the SafeMoon is 0.0000001 is the Bitcoin price of the SafeMoon, and the market cap is going positive. Market cap 24 hours trading volume, available supply of SafeMoon, total supply of the SafeMoon, everything is going positive. But now in a previous time they fast went for a little time, but now currently situation is going positive, and I hope that they will continue this time for a long time and they will give us only and only profit, my friends. The 24 hours pricing is negative, last 7-day pricing is also negative, but at this time the last hour, the last 60 minutes, they start pumping, my friends. I'm very happy to see this kind of jump, my friends. You know what is my prediction about SafeMoon? My prediction at this time is that they will continue this pump for a long time. Why they continue this pump for a long time, my friends? Because my friends, they start pumping after a long-term falls. So if they start pumping after a long-term falls, so it's clear that they will continue the system for a long time, my friends. And my prediction is also tell us that maybe they continue the same for 1 week, for 1 month, maybe. Anyways, what's your opinion and what is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Takes channel for more news and updates videos.